Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this random color text that you see on the screen. It's basically two in one. It's a regular text template and a random color one. We're going to put a switch in there so you can operate them independently. Go to the media pool, right click, new Fusion comp. You can name it if you want, you don't have to, and leave it on 5 seconds. And go to Fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up on the screen. Get a text node. Put the default text that you're liking in. We are going to make a macro at the end. Right click on the text node, copy, click away right here, then right click and paste instance. If you don't know what an instance is, it's the exact copy of whatever node you've taken it off from. If you change the value in one, it'll change it in both unless you de-instance that value, basically decoupling them so they work independently. Little green line indicates they're connected. And we're going to de-instance the color right now. Go to shading, right click on red, and de-instance. And you'll see the green box is gone now, indicating it's no longer coupled together. Do it on the green, the blue, and the alpha. And select the text node, shift space, and switch. Plug that one in the top. Make sure the main text, the bottom one, is plugged into the input one. Then go to config. It's already on 2 inputs. If you had more, just switch it. First one I'm going to call main text. Second one, random color. And go back to controls and select the instance. Get a color corrector. Let's go back to the switch and turn the random color on. That's this one here. You can tell by the input, it's bigger. It was here, we just switched it, it's up there. If you notice, that alone will not make the color. Get a fast noise. Plug it in like that and select the color corrector. Right click right here, modify width, anim curves. Now if you give it a play, you'll see it's going 360 and the color is changing. Back to the switch and select main text. And we'll make the macro with it set on that one. Click away, make sure nothing's selected. Hold the control button down. Select these in the order that I do. Then hit A on the keyboard. Keep the control button down. And deselect the media out. Right click on any one of the other nodes. Go to macro. Create macro. Give it a name. And follow along. Anim curves. Delete scale and put in color speed. Then go to File, save as group. It takes you to macros. Go to Fusion instead, templates, edit, titles. And this is where you're going to make a folder to put your preset in. And being it's a setting extension, you want to make sure you name it different than the preset itself. Put an underscore or something in there, or Resolve won't recognize it. If you're going from setting to DRFX, it doesn't matter. It won't do that. Hit save, and we'll go find it. And if you can't find it, you may have to restart Resolve. There it is. You have your 2 choices up here. And the color speed, You want the change colors faster? Just raise the value of that. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.